To our top story, Rahul Gandhi, Congress MP, has launched a scathing attack on the centre over these contentious farm laws. Targeting Prime Minister Modi, Rahul Gandhi claims that there is no democracy left in India and those who stood up against the Prime Minister are being labelled as anti-nationals. Rahul added that democracy in India is imaginary and nowhere in reality. Rahul, who led a delegation to the President, said that the opposition stands for the farmers. He also said that protesting farmers are not going to stop the demonstration till laws are repealed. He accused the centre of running policies that suit the corporates. Earlier, Rahul, along with party leaders Ghulam Nabi Azad and Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, met President Ramnath Kovind at Rashtrapati Bhavan. They submitted a memo. The Congress delegation sought his intervention to resolve farmers' agitation.
ये आप किस देश की बात कर रहे हो? ये कौन सी देश की बात कर रहे हो? डेमोक्रेसी? ये मतलब कौन से देश की बात कर रहे हो? इंडिया की बात कर रहे हो? इंडिया में कोई डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है. डेमोक्रेसी इंडिया में ये मतलब आपके इमेजिनेशन में हो सकती है, मगर रियलिटी में है नहीं. राष्ट्रपति से हमने कहा कि ये जो कानून बनाए गए हैं ये किसान विरोधी कानून है और इससे किसानों का जबरदस्त नुकसान होने वाला है, मजदूरों का, किसानों का. सरकार ने कहा था कि ये कानून किसान के फायदे के हैं और देश को दिख रहा है कि किसान कानून के खिलाफ खड़ा हुआ है. और मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी से कहना चाहता हूं कि ये किसान हटेगा नहीं. प्रधानमंत्री को ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि किसान और मजदूर घर चले जाएंगे. नहीं जाएंगे जब तक ये कानून वापस नहीं लिया जाएगा. जॉइंट सेशन कीजिए और कानून को एकदम वापस लीजिए, क्योंकि किसान वापस नहीं जाने वाला है. विपक्ष की सब पार्टियां किसानों के साथ, मजदूरों के साथ खड़े हैं और खड़े रहेंगे. जिस प्रकार से ये कानून पास किया गया वो भी बिल्कुल गलत था. बिना डिबेट किए, बिना किसानों से चर्चा किए, बिना मजदूरों से पूछे ये कानून ऊपर से थोप दिए गए हैं और इन कानूनों को हटाना ही पड़ेगा, विथड्रॉ करना ही पड़ेगा. वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो आउट. वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो आउट ऑफ द आईसीसी ऑफिस. The police stops us from going out. Why don't you let us go out? Why don't you let me go and tour in the states? See what happens. Every single farmer of this country, every single labor of this country stand up. But आप पुलिस लगवाते हो, हाथरस जाते हो, अरेस्ट करते हो, एआईसी से हमारे एमपी को बाहर नहीं निकलने देते हो और फिर कहते हो कि भैया मतलब सब कुछ ठीक है.
Anand Patel is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Anand, it's a scathing attack that has been made by Rahul Gandhi against the centre, saying democracy do no longer exist in this country and there is no room left for dissent. How does the centre respond to these attacks coming in from the Congress party and the Rahul Gandhi? And the Congress, not to forget, has also submitted 2 crore signatures to repeal the farm laws.
Well, as far as the centre is concerned, Chaiti, it has been maintaining that whatever is going on at the Delhi borders is at the instigation of the opposition parties, and other anti-social elements have also become a part of it. Clearly, the Congress party, though their march from Vijay Chowk to the President House was foiled by the Delhi police, but they managed to confront the government on this issue. And you heard Rahul Gandhi saying and alleging that there is no democracy left in the country, it is just in our imaginations. That's a big charge, big allegation against the centre. And the reason why he said so was because first the 3 bills were passed in the parliament. We saw how they were passed. You know, the opposition kept pressing in for the bills to be referred to a standing committee, but the government used its brute majority in the Lok Sabha first, and then in the Rajya Sabha used the disjointed opposition to pass the bills through. Then again, when the opposition came from the opposition parties, you see what happened at the Congress AICC today. The Congress MPs were stopped and barricaded. They were not allowed to take out a march. So clearly, the Congress party feels that whosoever protests against the government...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.